Hey everybody, we're doing coilovers today on the new Mk4 R32 that I picked up. Got good old BC coilovers that we're throwing on. This morning I went ahead and took everything. I took all the stock suspension, not stock. It was like coilovers and some crappy rear strut things. I don't even know, but took all that stuff off. Pretty simple. Found out that I need new axles, so we're going to be doing that later as well. For now, we're getting the rear coilovers done. So on the Mk4s, instead of having a normal, I don't know what you'd call it,
like a traditional style coilover.
No, not traditional. No, because a lot of cars are split in the rear. But so instead of having,
well, usually when it's like, when it like on Z's, like when it converts to like that style to like a how it is in the front, they call it like a true coilover.
Okay. But
yeah.
Okay, so a lot of cars don't change over. They just make it to where the ride height adjustability is sitting on top of the spring, and it still is on this, but instead of having a threaded height adjuster, you just get these little spacers, and then you have like, I guess like 3 or 4 different options depending on how you like put all of them on there together. Like, I don't think you're really supposed to. It's supposed to just like have one at a time. So I have like the medium size spacer, and then you put that where the spring goes, and then you're set. You can also adjust I guess a little bit of the ride height with the actual shock itself, the strut. So I have this set to what the other ones were because I like the height. So hopefully, and this is also pretty close to the height of the spring that was on it before. So hopefully I won't be changing things too much. I want it to sit where it was on the rear. We're gonna go a little bit lower in the front with it, but meh. So yeah, so I don't know, do you want this to be like a little bit of tutorial or not? Because everything's really straightforward and easy.
I mean, there's like thousands of tutorials out there, so.
Yeah, alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this other one on, tighten it down, come back over here and tighten the one that I already put on back down. And then we get to wait, because I can't put the fronts on until the new axles get here later today. So, yeah. What's up, everybody? We are back. We are about to, we just went to O'Reilly's and grabbed the new CV. Excuse me?
Is that supposed to be like that?
Alright, we're gonna...
Alright, so we're going right back to O'Reilly's.
We're going back to O'Reilly's until they fucking broke the shit. And my car won't be back on the ground for probably until next week. So that's cool. Alright.
This was fun.
Good video, guys.
This was fun.
We'll be back whenever I'm able to do more stuff.
What the hell? It's not supposed to be.
That's fun. No, that's great. All right. Yeah, that's good. And
it looks pretty goofed, I'd say. Looks like somebody probably returned that one.
Yeah.
And then got a new one. Oh, Jesus Christ. That is not a new axle at all.
No. Yeah, so. Alright, bye.
And here's what an axle is supposed to look like.
Yeah.
Like all connected together in one piece.
Yeah, with, and now we have to hope that it's the right one. Because it looks wrong.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
Like way longer?
Like way longer.
Oh, jeez.
I don't think it's the right one.
I don't think that's the right one.
Nope. Alright, so we returned.
This is that fun.
So we're returning both of these to O'Reilly's and just get a refund, and I'm gonna order hopefully the right ones from like ECS or something. I don't know. That's wrong. Why? Just everything bad that can happen. Okay. Well, we'll be back when we'll be back whenever I get the tires for the new wheels, I guess, and the spacers and the control arms and stuff or whatever. Alright, so we're back. Same video. Fuck the axles, right? Alright, these aren't dead. They're just a little clunkety. They're fine. So we're gonna run these until I can actually find some, O'Reilly's doesn't have any everywhere. ECS, Euro Tuning, they're all like back ordered for who knows how long. There's like no ETA right now. So I'm gonna look into that. I'm still driving the car. These work. So we got the driver's side front coilover on. Pretty painless. There aren't instructions on what you need to take from either like the factory strut or in this case like the original coilovers that were on the car. There's like one, it's like a boot, a little bushing between the top hat and the strut that you need to take, or I guess the spring that you need to take off and then reuse. But that's it. So here is the passenger side. I don't have that top hat taken apart yet or the bushing off of it, but pretty much it's just literally a bushing that sits on this, and then it goes up into the wheel well to where the top hat goes, and then you use another factory piece that goes on top, and then it's like a washer the bolt sits on. Yeah, pretty simple. I got these just a smidge lower than what those ones were. I'm guessing that's going to be a little bit stiffer of a ride, probably, just because of BC springs. I don't know the spring rates of those or these, because I normally don't care. I just go with whatever BC says to go with. So yeah, so a little bit lower. I should still be safe as far as rubbing. If it does rub, then just lift her up a little bit. But yeah, pretty painless install. Pretty happy about this car and working on it so far. It's pretty good. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this boy on. I've got some studs coming in the mail pretty soon, so I'll probably throw those on this video too. Show you how to throw some studs on a car, I guess. It's really easy. Wheels that I got are the wrong size, so I'm just gonna rock the OZs that came on the car, but I got new spacers, so gonna make the fitment a little bit better, a little bit safer instead of the janky spacers that were on the back. So yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna make it sit pretty today. It'll be nice. Hello. We have finished the coilovers.
Where are you from?
France.
All right.
Quebec.
Yeah.
So, yeah, they're on. Easy as other side B was. We also went ahead and so whenever I got the car, the entire center console was out. It looked kind of not okay. I made it look okay and put it back in the car. Didn't have a shift boot, nothing, and it had a Momo not steering wheel. It had a Momo shift knob, which like it was nice, but I wanted something not yellow, so went ahead and got a Euro Tuning shift knob and Alcantara shift boot. Made all that stuff happen.
Dang.
And now it be in there. So yeah. Still waiting on studs. We'll get back to you once I get the wheels and everything back on so we can actually lower the car and see how much adjustment I have to do. But yeah, that's where we're at. All right, we back. It's been, milliseconds since you last saw us.
Every like cut in the video.
God damn it! What?
I said like every cut in the video is just gonna be like, all right guys, we're back, and then okay guys, see you in a minute. All right guys, we're back.
Hell yeah!
It's pretty funny. What do we got? What's that?
I'll tell you. Oh, Jesus Christ, dude. All right, these are fancy lug nuts to go these individually packed. Jesus Christ.
So extra.
Wheel studs. Look how long that is. That's awesome.
How long is that?
Lengthy. I think 90 millimeters. I'm pretty sure it was 90 mil. Was the longest option. So yeah. So we got some sturds. We're gonna put them in the hubs, and we're gonna use some red Loctite. And I'm going to quickly Google. Actually, it probably says it on here somewhere. Look at that. Around 30 foot-pounds of torque.
It's not very specific.
No, it says up to around 30 foot.
Up to around.
Yeah.
All right.
Do not over tighten the stud into the hub. Tighten up to around 30 foot-pounds. So we'll be breaking out the good old. Actually, I can't do that because I don't have a way. We'll see. I might be able to.
I feel like you could just give it like a little.
Yeah, we're gonna give her.
I mean, they're not gonna go anywhere because like when you put the lug nuts on it, like it holds everything tight anyway. So.
Well, and it's gonna be Loctited down.
Exactly.
So yeah, so this is what we're doing. This is the same kit that I have on my RS3. It's the Racing's kit. Yeah, they look nice. It'll just be it makes working with the wheels a lot easier as far as getting them on and off, having things stay where they're supposed to be and stuff.
Especially with spacers.
Yeah, especially with spacers. Just on these European cars where normally it's a lug bolt, which is just stupid. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw these boys on, and then we can get the wheels back on and set her back on the ground and be in awe of how little's changed. We're all done, everybody. We got the new side conversion kit on. Got the wheels back on. Got all the spacers back on. And she's on the floor. So now we have to let her settle. Because they're brand new coilovers and springs and everything, I believe that the rear should settle perfectly, hopefully. And then the fronts I might have to raise up, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I think we're good. So that's like the majority of the exterior stuff that's going on. There's a few more things that I want to do to the outside of the car, and we're gonna be getting new wheels in eventually. But yeah, this is the round one of modifications to the Golf. Oh, just kidding. We have an issue.
Do we?
Yep.
Yeah, it doesn't look right.
Nope. All right. Yeah.
Why did it do that?
I have no idea, but that's not right. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Like something just didn't do what it's supposed to do somewhere. So.
Yeah. What the
Okay. Well, that's for tomorrow because there's too many mosquitoes out.